Hi everyone, my name is Igor, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to create an affiliate marketing website to promote products from Amazon absolutely for free, without paying for hosting, domain name and so on. For this purpose I will use Google Sites, because it's the most powerful and easy to use free website builder that I know. Subscribe to my channel right now not to miss any interesting videos about affiliate marketing and making money online. And let's begin. First of all, I want to show you what a typical Amazon affiliate website looks like, to make you understand what exactly we're going to do. Traditionally, sites that promote Amazon products have two types of pages: review of a single product and comparison or rating of the best ones. Here is a perfect example of a single product review. This page contains short notes about the product's quality, its pros and cons, and the final verdict about whether it worth to buy it or not. As you can see, this review is quite short and simple, so it doesn't take much time to write. And here is a typical comparison article, which aims to help the visitors choose the best product from the list. Usually such articles consist of short reviews of 5 or 10 products. Both of these articles contain affiliate links to Amazon after each review, so that visitors can immediately order the products they like. If a visitor purchases a product through an affiliate link, the site owner will receive a commission for that. To summarize, in order to promote Amazon affiliate links, we will need to create a website and fill it with useful articles containing product reviews. I just want you to understand that you can't simply make a page full of your affiliate links without providing any helpful content for visitors. That's just not how it works. But don't worry, it also doesn't mean that you have to create hundreds of reviews, buyer's guides and comparisons just to get started. A couple of pages are enough to be accepted into the Amazon affiliate program and begin driving traffic to the website. So let's move on to the next part of the video, where I will show you how to create it. The first step is to go to sites.google.com. I've left the link in the description for your convenience. Press the plus button and you will be taken into the dashboard. In this example I'm going to create a website about coffee and all related products, but you can choose the topic that you want. Just keep in mind that Amazon has different commission rates for different product categories. You can see the full list of categories by following the link in the description. Let's start from entering the title of the homepage and the site name. Now let's upload the background image for the header. You can also change the color scheme of the entire site on the Themes tab. I'm going to add navigation with the most popular articles to the homepage. It can also be categories or any links you want to add, this is just an example. I prefer to use one of these layouts for that purpose. To add a heading for this section, click text box and drag it to the top. Let's assume that this is a section with ratings of the best products. Change the text style and its alignment. Now it's time to add some images. I already have ones, so I'm going to upload them and name the links. As for you, you can find a lot of free and high quality images on specialized photo stocks like Unsplash.com. I don't need the signatures, so I'm deleting them by clicking the Appear Trash Can icon. Alright, let's make active links from these headings so that visitors can follow them. First of all, I don't have any pages except the home one, so I'm gonna create some. To create new pages, go to the appropriate tab and click plus. As you can see, each new page appears in the menu, but I don't want it to be there, so I press the 3 dots icon next to the page and choose the item Hide from Navigation. Okay, now I'm ready to add the links. Highlight the text that you want to become a link and press the appropriate button. You will be prompted to enter the link or select one of the created pages. Repeat the same action for images. So now, if someone clicks one of these links, they will be taken to the page with the corresponding content. I'm gonna duplicate the first section and customize it, but since you already know how to do that, I will not show you this process in detail. So now I have two categories with the links on my homepage. Also, it will be good to add information about me, so that visitors can assure that I'm a real blogger and they can trust my reviews. I think the first layout suits the best for this purpose. Add a photo and some information about you and that's it. This is actually an optional step, but it can increase the visitor's confidence, so it's up to you. Alright, and the last thing that we have to do before moving next is to add a footer. To do so, just press the plus button at the end of the page. According to the rules of Amazon Associates, you have to provide on your site the information that you can receive a commission if someone purchases a product following your links. The exact phrase sounds like, as an Amazon Associate, I earned from qualifying purchases. So, footer is the best place to provide such information. Alright, now we are ready to move on to creating an article that contains Amazon affiliate links. First of all, if you haven't signed up for the Amazon affiliate program yet, now is a good time to do so. I won't show you how to do that in detail because the registration process is pretty simple. You just need to go on their site and provide some information about you. As usual, I've left the link to Amazon Associates in the description of the video for your convenience. If you open any product page on Amazon after logging into your affiliate account, at the top of the page you will see the site stripe. It allows you to create links directly from the Amazon.com site without having to visit Associates Central. You can get the text link, image link, as well as an ad code that will be displayed on your site as a native shopping ad. Keep that in mind and let's create the first page. So, this is gonna be the page with comparison of the 5 best coffee makers. First of all, we need to write a short introduction, such as what this article is about. In order to not waste your time, I'll just add auto-generated text. Now let's add a review of the model that takes the first place in the rating. Typical review consists of heading, image, text describing the features of the model, its advantages and disadvantages, and a button in the end. I've already found a couple of great coffee makers on Amazon, so I'm going to add them on my site. Let's start from this one. Copy its name and paste it like a heading. Now we have to make a link from the heading. Return to Amazon and get the text link of the product. Insert the link and open Amazon again. This time we need an image link. Choose the size of the image that suits you and copy the code. To insert the empt code, press the appropriate button. Now, if someone clicks the image or the heading, they will be taken right to the Amazon website, which is good for us and convenient for the visitors. Regarding the image, it seems too small for me, despite I've chosen the largest available size. Fortunately, I know how to change the image size by editing the code. Do you see these SL letters and some numbers next to them? By changing them, you can change the size of the image. For example, let it be 400. Yeah, perfect, now I'm satisfied, but I also want to align this image to the center of the page. To do so, I'll just drag it a bit. As you can see, despite that I've moved the block with the image to the center of the page, the image itself is not in the center of the block. This problem is easy to solve by adding the HTML center tag. Place an opening tag before the code and closing tag after it. Okay, everything we've just done may seem complicated at the first glance, but actually it's not, you just need some practice. Now we need to add an overview of the product. As you know, it usually contains its features, pros and cons. You must write the overview yourself, relying on the customer's feedback, other overviews, information from the official website and so on. That's not so hard, but requires some practice as well. Usually it takes about 5-10 minutes to write one overview. You can check other Amazon affiliates websites to get some inspiration and see how other people do that. To find such sites, just Google something like top 10 and the name of the product. Since it's just a tutorial, I will add auto-generated text not to waste time. And the last thing that we need to do is to add a button. Name it like check the price and enter the text link from Amazon. So, one product's review is done, but you need to add more of them. To speed up the process, you can duplicate blocks, just don't forget to change the product links. And of course, that's just a classic example of article layout, you are free to place blocks the way you want. After you finish filling your site with content, you have to publish it to make it available to visitors. You can do so by clicking the appropriate button in the upper right corner. By default, Google Sites host your website on a free subdomain. That's enough for our purposes, but if you want your site to look more professional or planning to attract traffic from search engines, you can use a custom domain. After publication, you are ready to drive traffic to your site and start making money online. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to hit the like button. Also, subscribe to my channel if you're interested in affiliate marketing and want to know more about how to make money online, how to promote affiliate links, ways to drive free and paid traffic, and so on. Have a nice day and see you the next time. Bye!